welcome to my channel. Today I, Aniket Kumar, will show you all how you can improve the performance of your PC using few steps which are very efficient and user friendly. So, with our first step, what you all have to do is to hit Windows plus R on your keyboard, and you all have to type %temp %. After that, you have to hit enter. So here you all can see the temp files on your PC, and you all have to delete it. And don't worry, deleting these won't cause any trouble to your PC. It will simply delete the temp files which are temporary. So here you can see some files won't be able to delete. So you all have to do is to just press on skip. So here you can see all the temp files are deleted. So with the temp files deleted, all your temporary files are deleted, and it will give you some extra storage. So our second step is to adjust the appearance and the performance of your Windows. So all you have to do is to hit Windows and search adjust the appearance and performance of the Windows. So here you can see it has appeared. You all have to click on it. Then in your situation too, you can see let Windows choose what's best for my computer is ticked. So you have to remove that, and you have to tick on adjust for best performance and click on apply and then OK. So this will remove all the unnecessary animations in your operating system and will disable all the fancy text and shadows, which will reduce some stress from your CPU. So our method 2 is done. In the third method, we all have to delete the unnecessary apps on your PC, as apps take a lot of storage, and storage is also an important factor for your PC performance. So in this method, we have to hit Windows plus R on our keyboard and then type shell apps folder. Then OK. Here you can see all the list of apps that are installed on my computer. So the apps which are not required for me or which are not important, I have to delete them. For example, Netflix. All I have to do is to right click on it and press uninstall. It will redirect you to settings. There on the search apps, I will search Netflix and then will simply uninstall it. Using this method, we can delete all the unnecessary applications and free some space up from our PC, so that we can ensure the smooth performance of our Windows. So these were the 3 steps which you can use to boost the performance of your computer too. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you did, please make sure to subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.